Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing while installing or updating the Epic Games Launcher. You got an error. Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to head over to this PC, C drive, program files, and here press the E key to find a folder with the name Epic Games. Once you find this folder, right click and choose option delete. Same thing you need to do with C drive, program files x86, and here also you will find Epic Games folder. Select it, right click and choose option delete. Once both the folders are deleted, restart your PC and try to reinstall the launcher. Although if this failed to work out, first of all you need to re-download the launcher right from the official website of the Epic Games like I have done right over here. Wait for it to finish downloading the Epic Games launcher into your system. Now once the launcher is downloaded, now you need to right click on the taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now here click on the option Run New Task and check mark the option Create this task with administrative privilege. Now you need to provide the path of this particular file. So for that click on the option Browse and you need to browse the directory of the downloaded Epic Games Launcher setup file, which is right onto my desktop. From here, from a drop down list under the programs, choose the option All Files. And here you will find the downloader. Select it and click on the option OK. Now again I am telling you to make sure you must check mark this particular option. Create this task with administrative privilege. Then hit the OK button. This will go ahead and start it to install the Epic Games Launcher, and it will automatically update if any kind of update is pending, or else it will automatically install the Epic Games Launcher right into your system without any kind of error. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.